Are you looking for an easy way to give your Harley-Davidson a new level of protection and shine? Look no further than the HD Graphene Spray Coating. What up guys, it's your boy Andre. We're back here today at the Harley-Davidson garage and I'm going to tell you all about the HD Graphene Spray Coating. Featuring a graphene oxide component, this spray coating provides a high level of long-lasting protection, reduces hard water spotting, and it keeps water from clinging to any treated surface. Whether you have painted or plated finishes, this unique spray will enhance the gloss and clarity of your bike's finish for an unbeatable shine without requiring too much work. To apply, simply clean and dry the area you want to treat, then spray it on a microfiber or foam applicator pad and apply it to the surface in a crisscross pattern. After applying, just wait for it to cure and haze white, then buff it off with a clean, dry microfiber towel, and that's it. Once it's buffed off, you're ready to go. No cure time is needed before being exposed to water. In addition to creating a hard layer of scratch protection on painted surfaces, this spray also lowers the surface temperature to reduce spotting from hard water embedded in your clear coat. And when applied to your wheels, it does a great job repelling brake dust, keeping those wheels looking just as shiny and new as the day you got them. This spray can also be used on other surfaces like windshields, helmets, helmet visors, and saddlebag lids. With its unique combination of long-lasting durability and maximum gloss retention, you can trust that your ride will look as good as new for years down the road. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, Malama Pono. We'll see you next time.